Start with exercise 22b. This is the given figure here. This side is given 2, 1 is given, and you are asked to find the value of y. And this angle is given. So from here it is clear that this will be the base because two angles are formed. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. Y easily we can find out using Pythagoras, that I got root 3. Second part, you have to find sin x. Sin is equal to p over h. What is perpendicular? Y, hypotenuse 2. So y over 2, put the value root 3 by 2. Third part, you are asked to find this expression secant x, as they are same and satisfying the identity a minus b into a plus b. I wrote it as a square minus b square, and secant you know that is equal to h over b. Hypotenuse is 2 and base is what? 1. So 2 over 1. Tan is p over b. Perpendicular of this case is y and base is 1. Put the value. Root 2 square is 4 minus y is root 3. Clear? Solve it. You will get this answer. Second question. This is the given triangle. This is the given triangle. Two different angles are mentioned. This side is 8. This is 6. And this we can find using Pythagoras theorem. So this side is given. This side is also given. We can find BC using Pythagoras, that I already got. So full side is 15, 8 and 17. And of this right triangle also, all three sides we got. Now whatever is asked to find out, you can find out. Complete the question yourself. Question number 3rd and 4th, different type of sums and very important. Please understand the question carefully. This is the given triangle in which this side is given 12. This is 5. I found this side using Pythagoras, that is 13. Then we are asked to find cos DBC. DBC, I mark this angle as x. And we are asked to find cos CDBC cos x. For that I need another two sides, but we have only one side. We can't find out using this angle. Next is DBA. I mark this angle as y. So that also I cannot find out because I have only one side of this triangle. Cot DBA. We have to use this triangle. Again only one side is given. These two are not given. So we are unable to find this. So for this we have to find other alternative. What I did, children, in triangle ABC, full triangle, this angle is 90. That means A plus C should be 90 degree. Same way, take this triangle. Here, this angle is 90 degree. It means x plus c should be 90 degree in order to satisfy angle sum property. See, their right sides are equal. So, left sides will also be equal. C and C will get cancelled. From here, angle A is equal to angle x. Now, we have to find out cos DBC. DBC means x. We have to find cos x. And in place of x, I can write cos A now. And if we take cos A, that means this side cos A will be equal to, if we will take this angle A, that means this will become base, and cos you know it is base over hypotenuse 12 by 13. Same way, in triangle DBA, this angle is 90, that means y plus A should be 90 degree. Clear? Now from equation 1 and from equation 3, as their right sides are equal, left sides will also be equal. A and A will get cancelled. So C will be equal to y. Cot DBA we can write as cot y, and y is equal to C. Now look, children, if we take C as the angle, this side will become base. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. That is base over P 5 by 12. This is your answer. Sixth question, you are given an isosceles triangle. These two sides are given 5 and this side is given 8. As the triangle is not right triangle, we can't find out the ratios. So you know that in isosceles triangle, perpendicular drawn from the vertex divides the base into two equal parts. So if this side is 8, this is 4 and this is 4. And this angle will be 90 degree. As this is 5, this is 4, I can find AD using Pythagoras, that already I got. Now we are asked to find sin B. Sin B means we have to use this triangle. Sin is equal to P over H. What is perpendicular? 3, hypotenuse 5. Same way you can find out tan C using this triangle. Then sin square B plus cos square B, that I told you, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But you have to put the values, solve, the answer will be 1. In 7th question, you are given a triangle ABC. where B is 90 degree and this angle is mentioned as x given over here. Tan x is equal to 3 over 4. You know tan equals to what? P over B. That means P perpendicular is this will be 3x, base is 4x. Clear? Children, you must be thinking why I have taken 3x and 4x here. Because side BC exact value is given 15 and these are what? Ratios. These are not the exact values, these are ratios. That's why 3x is given 15. Making use of this, I'll find the value of x. Now once we'll find x, we are asked to find the value of AB. What was AB? 4x, 4 multiplied by 5, 20. Now this side is 15, this is 20. We are asked to find AC. That we can find out using Pythagoras theorem. Next is, children, this is the given figure. You have to make construction here. Join E with D. Why? Because theta angle is given but that was not a right triangle. In order to make it a right triangle, we need to draw the construction. This side is given, this is given. This I found using Pythagoras theorem. Then after, if this is 5, this side will also be 5 and the whole was given 14. AE will be 14 minus 5, 9. Now we have to find sine phi, this angle. So we need to use this triangle. Sine is equal to P over H. What is perpendicular of this triangle? 5, hypotenuse 13. Tan theta, theta is mentioned here. Use this triangle. Tan is equal to P over B. As two angles are mentioned here, so this will be the perpendicular. ED is equal to 12 and base is 9. 12 by 9, solve this. Then sine theta, again use this triangle, P over H, that is equal to ED. Perpendicular is what? ED. ED perpendicular and AD is the hypotenuse that you can solve. Clear? No need to solve this. You are asked to what to find out? Write an expression for AD in terms of theta. You have to write an expression for AD in terms of theta. See beta, you have to take such a ratio in which AD is involved. AD is what? Hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is involved in sine also, cos also. So any you can take. I took here sine theta, that is equal to P over H. Perpendicular is ED and hypotenuse is AD. Now sine theta, ED we already know 12. AD we have to find out. So AD is equal to, take it this side, sine will be taken over here and reciprocal of sine can be 12 cosecant theta. 10th question, this is given to you and you are asked to find this. So this can be obtained by squaring equation number 1. Square this equation. A plus B whole square will be A square plus B square plus 2AB, that's equal to 2 square is 4. And you know that sine and cosecant, they are reciprocal of each other. They will cancel each other. You are left with sine square A plus cosecant square A. Transpose to that side, answer is 2. In 12th sum bete, you are given 4 sin theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Collect it one side, sin theta. Take cos over here. 4 will be taken over here. Now, what is sine? Sine is P over H. What is cos? B over. You can remove this, clear? Or you can learn sine over cos is equal to tan also. Otherwise, you can follow this method. Sine is P over H. Cos is B over H. P over H reciprocated, H and H will get cancelled. You are left with P over B, that is 3 by 4. Now perpendicular 3 and base is 4. Third side we can find out using Pythagoras theorem. Now these parts you are asked to find out. All three sides I have got. Clear? Using all the sides you can find all these trigonometric ratios. 14th question, 5 this is given. Take it this side, 5 cos A. You can take it this side. Same thing we can do cos. Sine will be taken over here. 5 will be taken over here. Cos is equal to B over H. Sine is P over H. That's equal to B over. When you will reciprocate, hypotenuse will get cancelled. You are left with B over P only. So base is 12. Perpendicular is 5. This side you can find out. Then whatever you are asked to find, you can put the value and find the answer. 15th question. This is midpoint. D is midpoint of this side, so I took it as x and x. You are asked to find these two ratios. Tan CAB. CAB. That means you have to use full triangle. And tan, this side will become base. What is tan? Tan is perpendicular over base. Now if you take this angle, what will be perpendicular? BC and base is AC. Then tan CDB, small triangle you have to take. Clear? What will be perpendicular? BC only. And what is base? CD, BC over CD. Now BC over AC reciprocated. BC will get cancelled. What is CD? CD is what? X. And what is AC? That is x plus x, 2x. X and x will get cancelled. Answer is 1/2. Second part you can do yourself. See children, you are given tan A is equal to 0.75. Remove the decimal, that is equal to 3/4, and tan is P over B. This side is given 30 centimeter. Again this is fixed value and these are the ratios, that's why I have taken x over here. Using Pythagoras you can find the value of x. Then we are asked to find the length of AB. AB is 4x, 4 into 6 24. BC is 3x, 3 into 6 18. Question number 18, you are given a rhombus ABCD. And you know that in rhombus diagonals bisect at 90 degree. If cosine of angle CAB, this angle is given, cosine means cos. Cos x is given 0.6, that is 6/10, 3/5. And cos is equal to what? B upon H. Now beta, this angle is mentioned. This is 90 degree, that means this side will be what? 3A. Hypotenuse this side, that will be 5A. And OB is given 8 centimeter. Clear? See, this is the fixed value, that's why I took a variable and I didn't take x here because already we have used that variable. Now using Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of A, that is 2. So side, what is side? 5A, 5 into 2, and you know that in rhombus all the sides are equal, so all sides will be 10, and we are asked to find diagonals also. Now what will be the diagonal AC? Look here, AC will be double of OA because diagonal of rhombus bisect at 90 degree. So what will be AC? Will be double of 3A, double of 3A, that means 6A, put the value 12 centimeter, and diagonal BD, you know that OB is 8, so what will be BD? 16 centimeter. ABCD is a rectangle and you know that in rectangle vertex angle is 90 degree. Here you are given angle cot ABD. That means this angle is given to you, that is 1.5. Remove 1.5, 15/10. Base over perpendicular. Base is 3x, perpendicular is 5x. This side is given 26. Using Pythagoras, find x. Once you will find x, find both the sides. This is length and this is what? Width. And then after you are asked to find area. What is area of rectangle? L into B. So when you will find this side and this side, multiply, that will be the area. What is perimeter? Twice L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. So this you have to complete yourself. Do all the questions of the exercise. Almost all the questions are same. Clear? And doubts you can ask in the query class. Thank you.